Hello YouTube. Project for this video is this. This is an Manald heal from Diablo 3. In this ring, things I have noticed and I think are important are the edge of the ring has the middle of the ring is a little bit it's thinner than the edge, and that the thicker edge goes over the stone. Also that the stone base is flat, or at least it's, to me it seems like it's flat, and from this in-game picture to me it looks like the inside of the ring is flat. So yeah, those are the things I think are important and what I try to make here. I do not have any equipment to make that uneven surface on the middle of the ring. But what I am going to use to make this is copper sheet. This is 1.8 millimeter sheet. The color obviously isn't quite the same. I think the artist who drew this picture was thinking of red gold or something when making this, but I don't have that, so I will use copper. And the stone is here. This is 8 millimeter diameter synthetic ruby. For this ring I think I would have needed a flat base stone, but the store where I buy these didn't have that, so I just bought a normal stone, which I then sanded the tip off so that it isn't so tall, and I can make the pocket for this. But yeah, these are my materials, and I hope this will work out how I imagine it will. Okay, this is how this ring looks like now. I am ending this part 1 here because I run into a little problem. These legs, or whatever we are calling them, these are horrible. Absolutely horrible. So I decided that I will saw these off, try to make the edge as good as I can, and then solder new legs on these sides, all 4, and hopefully I can make those look much better. These are all different sizes, they are a little bit different lengths, and yeah, not something I want to leave on this ring. But the hole or pocket for the gem is okay-ish. Obviously I have to still sand and file it, but it's almost as deep as it should be. Little bit more and it will be good. But anyway, the second part will come out next week, next Friday. If you are interested of my chainmail project, I will be live streaming on Sunday and Monday, 6 p.m. Central European Summer Time +1, and yeah, please hit that like button. If you are new here, please subscribe, and yeah, hopefully I see you Sunday.